Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Softtech Training Center Soksun Shillong, kala pendep ban ai jing Hikai ki art pausan ngut ki Samla, Kumno ban song Jingbam lingba ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, kabalalong haka art paulai tarik menta ubnai rempang araja art pausau, Khliehriat Higher Secondary School, Eastern Hills District. Hakani ka sngi la yoru ban sa mi ki sernat chekini ki Samla, ki bala pendep i ka jing Hikai. Hakani ka sngi la dan langru ka kong JU Kharpuri, kabadai ke ADC Eastern Hills District. Uba Tipo Thmi ubade USDO Eastern Hills District, ba Vicky Manar, ubade Uriu Shampang na ka food processing, uba T Chalam na DDUG ke VY, u principal ka Khliehriat Higher Secondary School, u brother Solomon Swear, bat ya ka jingalang, la penyat da ka kong P Sumer, kabade try ka Softtech Training Center.
And the skill development office is one such training to empower our youths. Because there are many youths who may not be, highly intelligent or good in studies, but they can focus on other forms of skill education. And we are in such an institute, a school today, where Don Bosco himself has been the image and the most exemplary example of the training that we have received from skill development.
The operation of healthcare now in the part of the skill every day kaju kini kerja competition ko manus nem tu ada diletakkan skill India tu hari kan dia qualify tu hari berman kini kerja event negara kita yang pertama harus memang kita conference ini negara yang diorang apa inisiatif apa objek yang kita suitable.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center